2017 Nissan Titan V8. Still got the stock converters there. It's got a total of 4. Then it comes true dual originally from the factory into a single muffler. We put a MagnaFlow on it, dual in, single out, into 3-inch tailpipe and a 4-inch tip right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Nice and deep. Come on. Oh, it's the platinum one too. Yeah. They're beautiful trucks. ...2011 Nissan Titan 5.6 or 5.7 liters. What we got done on it is... we still got the stock converters there and there. It's got the rear converters. And then it comes from the factory True Dual. Then we put a dual in, single out Flowmaster Super 10 into a double walled dual outlet tip, black tip right there. Came out really nice, clean. There's a Super 10 right there. I'll let you hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2011 Titan 4x4 Flex Fuel Flowmaster dual in, single out Super 10. A new tip. That sounds perfect. That tip changed the sound a lot. Yeah. Let you guys hear it on the inside in a second. ...2018 Nissan Titan V8 Midnight Edition. Really beautiful truck, all murdered out, midnight, all blacked out. Let you guys see what we did on it. Still got stock factory 4 converters, 2 on this side, 2 on that side. Then it's True Dual, it comes already factory True Dual. Then we put a MagnaFlow 14-inch body Link in the description if you want to get one. Then a 3-inch tailpipe, original, into a 4-inch tip. And of course has to be black to complete the look. Right there. It's the SV edition, midnight black. Beautiful truck. Let you guys hear it in a second. Doesn't have a lot of raspiness to it, it's just deep, you know? And when you're going down the road, you won't even hear that whistle, you know, a little bit. I just want to make sure nothing was hitting, you know? Oh, yeah. 30 days when that muffler compacts more from when you're driving it, you know. All right, we'll let you guys hear on the inside. 2013 Nissan Titan V8 5.6 liter. What we got done on it. Comes already true dual from the factory. Comes with 4 catalytic converters. One here, one here, one right there, and one right there. Then it comes with 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, and we put a cherry bomb, dual in, dual out muffler on it. Right there. And 2 1/4 tailpipes, mandrel bent, all the way back, there and there, into 4-inch double-walled stainless steel tips, right there, and right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There's the muffler. Cherry bomb sounds like. This one it registers. Again, it's about 107, 110 decibels. Not bad at all.